Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to use Snappa's Magic Resize tool. Snappa Magic Resize tool allows you to quickly resize your design for different platforms, saving your time and effort while creating multiple versions of the same design. First of all, log into your Snappa account and open an existing design that you want to resize. I'm just going to use a template from here. Once the design is open, you will see Resize button located at the top. Click on this button to start using Resize tool. It offers variety of predefined dimensions for popular platforms. Select from the list of available size based on where you plan to use your design. After selecting the new design, Snappa will automatically adjust your design to fit the new dimension. You can override the current or open as a new graphic. Click on View Image button. It will scale down or reposition the element as needed while keeping them proportionate. Once you are satisfied with the resized design, you can save it by clicking the Download button on the top right corner. Choose a file format PNG or JPG. By following these steps, you can easily resize your Snappa design for multiple platforms, minimal effort using the Resize tool. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.